Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, August 4th. So why are you watching this? Well, hopefully it's because as traders, we need to sit down before the market opens and identify specific areas that might be a problem for our trading. And that could be news events, that could be specific patterns of developing, specific support and resistance. And that's what we do here in the morning brief. So you're looking at forexfactory.com calendar, and we're looking for news events that might affect our trading today. So you can see that at 10 a.m. we have the JOLTS job openings that comes in at 10 a.m. That's actually a very big number. We'll be watching that at 10. We have factory orders month over month. And then after that, we have economic optimism. At 4:30, we have the API statistical bulletin, and that is it for the day. So not a lot of news. Looking at the daily chart, oh, holy smokes, here we've got 3 massive days up in a row. Volume has been declining during that time. And we are on a 4th day, which is a gap up. Remember, the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So it's either going to be an update and we're going to shoot for that 5th day, or it's going to say, I like the number 3, and that's it, and we'll come back down. We have broken out of this band. We also have a very unique candlestick pattern. It's called a railroad track, and that's where we have a distinct down repeated by or followed by a distinct up, and it gives you this railroad track type formation. This is very bullish actually, and is indicative of a change in direction. In this case, coming down, now going up. We'll have to see if that actually holds. Where are we? Well, we are above the moving averages, all of the moving averages. So we are still on the short run. I'd say we've actually moved to the upside. Medium, we're still going sideways. Long term, we're up because we're above the 200-day moving average. Where could we go today? Well, we could probably come up to this low volume node around 76.70. If we go to the downside, maybe this high volume node, 75.88. Looking at the inventory, inventory was positive on a positive update. However, if you look at the shape of this inventory down here, you'll see that around noon, it became net selling. So we had a lot of buying going into lunchtime and then selling the rest of the afternoon, even though price continued to go up. So this kind of tells me the smart movies moving to the sidelines. I don't know, but it is something we always look at. This is correlated, so nothing to be worried about. Moving on to the overnight action. Overnight action, 28 points, very low. Again, had a low overnight volatility yesterday as well. Where do we have support and resistance? So scrunch this down a little bit. As you can see, we're getting into nosebleed area up here where there's nothing because we've never been there before. This is up above all-time highs. So we've got a level at 76.62, 76.92, of course 7,700, the whole number. Support, we've got a gaggle of stuff right in here around the 76.30-ish area. We get below that, 76.15, of course 7,600, the whole number. We get below that, it can get ugly. 75.80 would be on my radar as well. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 47.6. 47.6% chance the market will be up, which gives us a negative expectancy for today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Remember to subscribe and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.